Guys, and welcome to the daily predictions. We are going to talk about how 28th of September is going to be for you, the energies of 28th of September. And the energy to start with, I have a card of 8 of Pentacle. 8 of Pentacle is a card where you need to continue working, where there is more work coming your way, where there are, if you see, there are angel messengers, like there is a dove there, the birds are angel messengers, and there is a growth, like there are flowers that are coming out of this door. So there is growth and there is better messages that are coming your way. And you need to continue whatever you're doing in your life, whether it is your relationships, whether it is your spirituality, whether it is your work, whether it is your business. Continue doing whatever you're doing in your life, but just be a little careful about how much pressure you put into it, which means how much stress of it you take, and how much positively you are doing it, and how much you are believing in your own completion, how much you are believing in the messages that are coming your way. So just ensure that you put the exact same effort that you need to put, because this person is using a kind of a hammer to create this pentacle, and if he actually pushes this with a little more pressure than required with the hammer, then this will break. So that is why ensure that you're not putting too much pressure on yourself, you're not putting too much pressure on your energies, you're not putting too much emotions or too much stress into things that you're doing. Just exact balanced energy and continuing to work is very, very important. So continue the work that you're doing and have balanced energies. There are some positive messages, they will come your way. And this is 8, this is page of chalices, pages are 11, and this makes it 10 again, because 2 plus 8 is 10. And this card says that the canvas is blank, the energy is blank. There is a weasel here who's trying to make a bridge because of there is a kind of a river here. So the weasel is trying to make a bridge, and one bridge is already there. So see what you want to create, see what colors you want to use, see what emotions you want to use, see how do you want to pick up your new journey, see how you connect with your intuitions, and also see where are the bridges that you need to create, and do you really need to create one, or is it or something that is already available. So be into your energy, listen to your inner self, listen to your intuition today, and create a new picture for yourself, paint a new picture for yourself, paint a new future for yourself. Just ensure that you are ready to pick up kind of a hobby, and if possible on 28th, try to pick up a hobby and spend some time with yourself, spend some time in nature. But somewhere the energies are where you need to continue to work, you need to use your imagination, you need to use your intuition, you need to use and create a picture that you want to create of. So you have the ability where you can change your world into something that you want to change it to. So as you create it, similarly, whatever you want to manifest, if I put it that way, you will be able to manifest, but you have to see what resources you have, and you have to see what you want to create, like what is the end result of it. The next card that I have is 5 of Pentacle, and if you see in the 5 of Pentacle, this person is sitting here away from the heat or the warmth, and this person is sitting here in the snow, though the person is not hurt, but she's a little sad, and there is a lizard here who's ready to get into her own its own house or its own thing, where it is safe and where it is secured. And that is what the lizard is kind of advising her to, because there is light here, there is growth here, there is warmth here, there is balance here, and she can actually go there and have that energy changed for herself. And again, there is a Holy King, and Holy King is the Hermit card, where the guides are available, the energy is available, the strength is available, and there is light. And if you see, there is a house here, and in this house you can see a kind of a cup here that he's kept here, and there is a person inside. So divine is giving you gifts, divine is helping you, divine is giving you guidance. The point is, do you take that guidance? Are you ready to take that guidance? Are you ready to move towards something more positive? Are you ready to move towards something more good or better for yourself? Are you ready to let go of anything that is actually keeping you stuck in your life? And that's the energy, that's the decision that you need to take, that are you ready to change something that you want to, that you are meant to change. And if you see the total of these numbers, 8 plus 2 is 10, 5 plus 1 is 10, 8 plus 2 is basically 10, so this is 1, that becomes 1. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 9 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then this is number 6. Number 6 and number 10 are being repeated from a long time, and these are the victory, these are the completion numbers, and that is why have faith, have complete faith. Now the next cards that I have, and these are from Greenwich Tarot, and these are from an energy oracle card. Next card that I have, first is Happy Family, second is the card of Patience, and if you see in this watch there is 10, 10. and third card is heart, a woman holding a heart, and the total of these cards is also 10. And these cards are saying that a happy home, a happy time, a happy balanced time is coming your way. Just have some patience and just hold on to your heart. Just know that you have to balance your emotions. Just know that you will be taken care of. There is a transformation. There's a butterfly here. There's a transformation that is happening. Hold on to your vision. Hold on to yourself. Hold on to your energies. Have little patience, and with little patience and with holding on to your energies, with holding on to your visions, with holding on to your emotions, there is going to be a happy change that is coming your way. There is a rainbow here and the family is enjoying, right? So there is going to be a happy change there. The next card that I have, it says fun, and this is from Atlantis cards, and this card suggests that you build leisure time for your life, plan to have fun and do things that enable you to relax and laugh, socialize with people who are happy and interesting. At the same time, look at your challenges from the higher perspective and take delight in all the good in the world. So definitely there are some good things that are coming your way. It will depend upon your vision, how you look at the things and how you look at those things and this is again 10 and 6. So again a completion, and there is a victory. So again the energies are very, very beautiful, and the energies are very, very positive. And if you actually have patience, if you actually believe that there are good things in the world, and if you connect with that goodness, if you connect with the guides, if you connect with the guiding energies, then things are going to work out completely differently than how you're looking at. The next card that I have is Starseed Tarot, and it is Starseed Oracle, and this is activated earth, and this card says power places, ley lines, trust where you are led. So you need to believe in where energies are leading you. There's a possibility that you might think of your visit to a holy place that you've done. You might visit somewhere that you wanted to visit. This is earth has been so there are places where the earth is recharged, right? The energy of earth is very, very charged, very, very beautiful, very, very amazing, very, very soothing, and these are usually places which are around like the sacred places, the holy places, and when you go there, your energies also change, your energies also activate, and that is the similar thing, that the energy of earth is activating, the energy of earth is changing, the energy of earth is becoming better. And if you actually connect with that energy of earth, you will also awaken, your energy will also change, your energy will also become better. And that is why it is important to feel that energy, and it is important to be in that energy. And when I was doing my Hindi video, I don't know why I was reminded of Kedarnath when I was looking at this card. But yes, there is a energy of earth that has been activated, and you have to activate your energies, and there is a possibility you might be visiting some place, or you might be thinking about some place. The last card that I have is just as beautiful. So okay, so I want to take out some extra card for you for the extra message. So let's see what is the message for 28th of September. Guides, angels, what is the message for 28th of September? One request that I have with you guys is please try to share these videos with your friends, with your family. Reason being that these videos are guidance as to how you can deal with the problems that come during the day to you, and that is the reason why I'm making these videos, to instill positivity in people. And if you can share it, that will be a very good way of helping them. So if possible, do share it in your groups, do share it with we share jokes and we share a lot of other things, but these videos are actually if you think that these videos are life changing, or they can actually give some guidance or some change, then please do share them with everyone. Okay, let's see what is the message. Guys, message for 28th of September. Guides, angels, message. What do we need to know? What is the additional message that is coming for 28th of September 2021 on Tuesday? What is the message that we need to know? No wonder we got the same card again, 8 of Pentacles, the same card, that continue working on the things that you're working. We got the same card as patience, second number, patience, that you have to have patience, and you have to know. If you see, this person is a little sad, right? Because he's been waiting for these fruits to come out. And if you see here, 5 of Cups, this is also a card where this person is little sad because 3 cups have been fallen down, but there are 2 cups behind him. There is a bridge here, right? So you have to continue working, and you have to believe that there are positive things around, there are positive changes around, there are positive energies around, and you have to know that there are some things that can still be worked upon, that can still be changed upon. There are blessings in disguise. So have little patience. If you are working on something, don't stop working on that. Have patience. Patience are going to be very important. I'm going to take out one more card from this if I can. Guides, angels, if you can just please clarify 5 of Cups, or give one more card Just to clarify, 5 of Cups and the energy of 28th, overall energy of 28th. Okay, beautiful. I have Star card and I have 9 of Cups. And 9 of Cups and Star card. 9 of Cups is a card of wish fulfillment. 9 of Cups is a card of your wishes coming true, things becoming clearer, you achieving the goals that you had. It is a genie card. And Star card is a card of balance. It is the card of energies. It is the card of things coming to light. It is the card of illumination. It is the card of inner and outer balance. It is the card of connecting with divine, connecting with the source. So again, overall energy I wanted to ask, and overall energy is again positive, and there is a possibility where during the day you might feel a little low, you might feel that things are not happening, you might feel that something that you were waiting for to happen has not completely happened, but there is a blessing in disguise. Ultimately there will be a wish fulfillment and things will become clearer. By the end of the day you will see much more clarity, and that's kind of a spread that has come here also, that you will start with a lot of passion in the morning. You will start your work, you would want to complete your work. Then during the day you will become a little like little low, or little thinking that is it working, am I able to create what I want to create. And then around 5 p.m. or around 5ish, there is a possibility where you feel a little low and you feel that things are being lost, they are not working. And then around 9, and you see the synchronicity that has come here. There is a 8 first. There is a 7 here, there is a patience card here, but that's 2, but this is 7. This is a 5 here, there is a 5 here as well, and this is a 9 here, and this is a 9 here as well. So around 9 p.m. around 9, and this could be like AM or PM, I'm not sure, but the energies are like that around evening or night, around 9 or 8 or 9, because this is 17, so number 8 or 9, you will start seeing the guidance coming in, you will start seeing the positivity coming in, and you will start seeing the changes happening. So during the day, if you are waiting for something to happen and you feel a little low, or you feel that thing is not happening or it is not coming, don't get disheartened, because it will come across, it will happen. Whatever is the result that you're waiting for, whatever is the work that you've done, whether it is like emotions, work, job, whatever is the work that you've done, and you're waiting for some results to come. Yes, there might be a reason for you to feel that what you're waiting for is not happening, and you're feeling kind of, what do I manifest, how do I take it forward. But ultimately there is a wish fulfillment, there is a light that is going to shine. So just have faith and keep on moving forward. Thank you so much guys, I hope this helps you. If it does, again share it with everyone else that you can. Thank you, and your feedback is important. Bye bye.